from your audience dashboard, you can see tags here, and that is the tags we have created. However, we want to go to audience, and you'll see tags. So tags are like labels for your contacts so that you can organize them better. You can even use them to base your segments on, and they're just generally great to create automations around because you can trigger an automation depending on what the tag says. So to create a tag, it's as simple as going over to the right and clicking create tag, and we'll click buyer, or type buyer should I say, and we've created the tag. To apply your tag, you go back to your dashboard, or all contacts is a quicker way, and we'll select the top 4 here, and we will add tag buyer. And as you can see, these are all tagged buyer, so we can then go and target them with email campaigns, or we can combine it with an automation that triggers the minute the buyer tag is applied, like sending out an email with a discount code. So that's what tags can do. They're just kind of ways of organizing your audience with labels. Segments are a whole different kettle of fish. So if we click on there, we have advanced and regular. And if we go to create a segment, here we have conditions. So what you want to be able to do is create a condition that will apply to your entire segment and make it appropriate. So let's go for tags. This is how they can be used. If the contact is tagged with buyer, then we can create a segment, and that will put all people with the tag buyer in the same segment. You can also do things such as email campaign activity if they did not open any of the last 5 campaigns, and you can create that segment so you can see people aren't interacting with your campaigns. Maybe you want to do like a follow-up email that says something like, sorry, was there something we said? Or you could even just remove them from your audience if you're running low in space in one of the lower tiers. So segments are usually ways of organizing your audience based around set conditions that you choose or set. On the higher end tiers, you do get advanced segments that you can do a lot more than just one sort of condition at a time. So if we then go into manage contacts and we go to groups and we go to create a group, you can see here that you've got various options for the groups, and these are focused more on the audience rather than you. I would recommend using segments and tags rather than hidden groups, because you can create hidden groups that aren't for the audience, but I would recommend use your segments and tags that way so that you can do it, and use groups so that the audience can choose what sort of emails. That way, the emails you send are going to go to people that are more likely to open them because they've chosen to be in that group. So for example, we'll just use checkboxes. So discount, news and product. So that way these will appear on your sign up form for the contact to choose themselves, and then you can then target them with discount emails, news emails, product emails, as I've put here as an example, and hopefully you'll get better click and open rates that way, simply because the audience has said, yes, I am indeed interested, rather than you just sending out emails and hoping. Basically, it's like phishing. You're using, not PH phishing, FISHING. Hopefully that was right. So it's like phishing with the right bait. So you send out an email and you don't get an open, you might then want to send out one asking them what group they would like to be part of, so that then the next email is tailored more towards them. So as you can see, groups are for the audience, segments are for bundling together, and tags are for labeling and organizing